Hello guys, this is Tyson Gaming here, and today I'm going to show you how to flip the butterfly knife in Black Ops 3 faster than it normally does. Like how it goes super slow, but I'm going to show you how to flip it really fast. So what you want to do, first you want a butterfly knife. This is with fast hands. This is the time with fast hands, but if you don't want it, it's all good. You don't have to have it. Well, I'm not too sure. I've never tested this. Oh. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to not be stupid like me and not create a match where you can't use a butterfly knife. If you guys want, just skip this part of the video because this might be a little bit. Oh my god, this is so dumb. I didn't mean to do this. Whoop. Shaky hands. Everybody gets them once in a while, right? I don't think that I'm the only one. No. Oh god, holy crap, my iPad almost fell. What do I do? Screw it. I'll just use my own hands. Okay. Going a random game. Since I messed up. Okay. Hurry up. Boy. We're probably gonna be losing, so meh. Who cares? So if you look at this, look how slow it goes. Go slow, but if you run and do it, so let me see here. So you have to run, aim, done. Look how fast that goes, guys. So let me do this again. Run. Okay, first you aim. Okay, you go like this. So at the right time you run. Okay, I just died. Okay, that's great. Okay, so what you do is that you switch to your butterfly knife. You run and press. Oh, I messed up. Okay, so you run and press. I went faster, right? Okay, so you go and press. Look how fast that goes. Okay, that's normal, right? Oh my god, how do I do this? So then after that oh my god, I keep on dying. You run. How is this supposed to work? I'm just gonna do this again. So you run and press. I can't do this with one hand. Honestly can't, guys, I'm sorry. Can't with one hand. Here, I guess I'll try again. Here, so you, oh my god. This is like impossible. So I'm gonna switch. Okay, so you turn, run, and press. See that? And press. And you go run, run, and press. Oh, that was slow. Run, and okay, sorry guys, this is really annoying. Honestly, I don't know why I can't. This is so frustrating. Can I just go like this? Yeah. So run. Okay, turn. Run and press. And press. aim, press. So you try it out for yourself. So all you do is that you run. Like, I can't. Oh my god. Okay, so first thing you do, you run, aim like this, quickly, aim. Okay. I don't know how good of camera this is, but we'll try. Oh my god. Okay, guys, so you run and press. Run and press. Run and press. So that's all you do for today. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Peace.